Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
OtO, OTO, is a company that makes an installation-free solar-powered watering system for the yard. Attach a hose, set up watering zones with an app, and OtO takes care of the rest with a range of 30 to 40 feet. Founder and CEO Ali Sabti says you use your phone to define zones.
So it's a point for trees, or they can create lines for rows of shrubs or bushes. In addition to that, OtO can also apply people, planet, and pet-safe solutions right through that water stream.
It is smart. Keep in mind, since this is an internet-connected device, your Wi-Fi will have to reach that far, and it does operate only on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. That may be challenging for some. Learn more at otolawn.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.